Hi all, this is Technology Lowdown, a new series of videos that will look to provide you with tips and tutorials on technical matters. To find out more, search Technology Lowdown in Google. Today, converting a video to a GIF. So have you ever been scrolling through social media to find videos like the following, where they're on loop and you see something kind of funny or quite engaging? So what this video will help you do is convert your own video into a GIF that can easily be uploaded and used on social media or on other websites. So what is a GIF? Graphic Interchange Format, which is an image file type that supports animation and transparency, like these at Giphy.com. But for now, let's work out how we can do this for ourselves. First of all, we need to find a video. So let's jump on over to YouTube. And what I've done is I've found this one here, which is a funny short video of the man who's attempting to go down from a roof, but his mate keeps on moving the ladder. And what actually happens in the end is he finally works out that his mate is there moving the ladder out of the way. Alright, so that's our funny video. So I'm just going to copy that link. And to download this video from YouTube, rather than use a website, I have found this one here. It's called 4K Video Downloader. So I've already downloaded and installed this one. Quite simply, it is just a matter of going paste link. After a moment, it'll ask you what options that you would like. Normal quality is fine for the purpose of this because GIFs are generally a pretty small file type. So I'll just select normal and then download. All the rest is fine. Alright, so that one's downloaded. So the next thing we need to do is edit this video. So I've found a program here, it's called Shortcut, which is an open source video editing application, which will enable us to convert this video to a GIF. If you have a fairly recent computer, say within the last 5 years, 64-bit should be what you require. If you have an older computer, older than about 5 to 6 years, you may have 32-bit Windows, most likely. Otherwise, you could have 64-bit, depending upon your computer. So, let's open this one up. I'm just going to show in folder. Once you've downloaded and installed Shortcut, we basically open it up, give it a project name, so we'll go funny ladder video. And you can just leave everything as default, no need for anything else in here. And because I've already downloaded that video right here, I'm just going to drag that one straight in, just drag it and drop. And there's our video. So what I might do is crop this one down because we don't want it to be a terribly long video. People don't have that longer attention spans. So we might just go from, say, here. And we'll just rewind it a bit. So maybe, there we are. Alright, so that's probably about enough. So we've got about 10 seconds there, which is about the average for a GIF. So next step here is we just need to go export. So click the export, it looks like a CD in the top there of the menu. Click on export, then we select GIF from the presets here at the side. If you go down to advanced, I'll just show you some of the options in here. So one of the things we can do, because this is a GIF, is reduce the frame rate. So we'll put it down to 15, and that'll make the overall size of the file a little bit smaller. If we go to audio, disable audio should be selected because GIFs don't actually support audio. So we'll just go export file. Let me just save it to a location. So I'm going to save it to the desktop and I'll call it funny ladder video and save. Alright, so if we look in the top right here, it says jobs. So this is the program rendering that video to a GIF. So if we just open that desktop folder again, you can see we have a new file there, funny ladder video, and I'm just going to open that one. And there is our video converted to a GIF. And you'll see once it gets to the end that it will start to loop it. So yeah. So that is how we convert a video to a GIF. I hope that this video has been informative for you, and if this has helped you, please like it, give it a thumbs up, or subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Thank you, and